In this video, we're going to explain in-pane touch targets on your Humminbird user interface and how it allows you to quickly adjust settings on the fly.
All right, so right here are your in-pane settings buttons. So right here you can see our side imaging pane is selected. It's outlined in yellow. So here are a quick way for us to adjust our settings on the fly with these buttons. So right here I can adjust my sensitivity up or down. I can adjust my range of my side imaging. Real quick and easy to change the most basic and most used settings. Now, if we select a different pane, so let's go over to map here, you're gonna see that those buttons changed. So that's a cursor icon. We have a zoom option right here, and then also go to vessel. So that it changes based on the screen or the technology you're using. Down imaging, similar to side imaging, you're gonna have sensitivity and your down range. So the great thing about these in-pane setting buttons, they allow you to quickly change your settings and the most commonly used settings without having to open your settings menu. So obviously that's a super powerful tool, but if you don't want to use these, it's really easy to disable or enable them. If you go up to your top menu bar here, you can open up your view options and you'll see in-pane buttons. So we have sonar side imaging, sonar down imaging, and our chart. So if I want to turn them off, maybe just for my chart, I can turn them off, now they disappear. Add those on, or I could turn them all off, turn them all on. So if you don't want to utilize this feature, you can quickly and easily turn them off.
If you want to learn how to be an expert with your Humminbird fish finders, check the description below for a link to a variety of different video resources explaining this user interface.